Business executives yesterday gave Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) Governor John Mushabanu a rude awakening after a snap survey which showed that they were not ready to support the new currency. Instead, executives want Mushabanu to adopt a strict monetary policy stance to win the hearts of business. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. At a monetary policy review meeting yesterday, Zimbabwe National Chamber of Commerce President Mike conducted a snap survey on whether business would support Mushabanu's measures. He asked attendees to raise their hands if business would support the governor and the new currency. However, about 90% of the 400 in attendance kept their hands down. In today's news, businesses do not support Zimbabwe gold. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.